In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove spam filter on Yahoo. If messages you actually want keep getting diverted or disappearing, there's a good chance a custom filter is doing the routing. We're going to sign into Yahoo, open Mail, and remove the filter that's causing the issue so your emails land where you expect. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look to the upper right and select Sign In. Click it, then follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate. Just take your time here and complete whatever verification Yahoo presents. After you finish, wait a moment for the sign-in to complete. You'll know you're in when you see your account area at the top. Once you're signed in, click Mail in the upper right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. From here, we'll go into your settings. Look for the settings gear icon, usually near the top right of the Mail interface, and click it. A small panel will open. Choose More Settings at the bottom of that panel to access the full settings page. On the left side of the settings screen, select Filters. Filters are rules that automatically move or sort your messages. They're helpful when set correctly, but one misconfigured rule can send legitimate emails straight to a folder you don't check, or even make them look like spam. In the Filters section, you'll see a list of any rules currently set up on your account. Click the filter you want to remove. If you're not sure which one is causing the problem, look for a filter that moves messages to spam or to a folder that you don't normally use. Once you've selected the filter, choose Delete. If Yahoo asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This removes the rule so new incoming messages won't be redirected by that filter anymore. That's it. With the problematic filter deleted, you can now receive email in your inbox without that rule getting in the way. Changes typically take effect immediately for new messages. If you have multiple filters and you only want to remove one, just repeat the same process for that specific rule and leave the others intact. And remember, layouts can change slightly over time, but the path remains the same. Yahoo homepage, Sign In, Mail, Settings, More Settings,